Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator custom cool pan. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new tray and custom cool pan. The custom cool pan holds the items in the custom cool section. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged. In order to change a part, we have to open up the refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the custom cool pan. It's located down there at the bottom. In order to change it out, you have to pull it out so we can unlock it from the rails. There's two tabs on each side. You just have to turn those and unlock them. Once you have these two done, you can do the ones on the other side. Once you have them all unlocked, we can lift up on the custom cool pan and pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old custom cool pan next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Ours was missing the tray. You can use it or not, however you want to do it. There is a protective film across the front, so we just have to pull that out before we put it in. To put the new pan in, you just have to carefully set it into place. You don't want to push the rails back in by accident. Just get it back there and set it down so it goes on the mounting tabs on each side. Once you have it in place, we just have to lock the locking tabs in. So you just have to swing them over and lock them in. Once you have it locked in place, we can push it in. And we can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.